Testing, testing. Hey, Hannah, hello. How's it going? Hang on, I'm just setting up a few things. Testing. How about now? Okay, give me a moment. Let me just change the position of my fan. Testing. Okay. Hey Hannah, how's it going? You don't think it's a fan? Oh dear. Give me a moment, eh? Is it still a problem? Oh no! Testing. How about now? It's still there? Oh dear. Just a moment. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, I plug it into a new port. I hope that works. Yay! Okay, awesome. Not quite sure why that's happening. Anyways, it's time to make the game look better. I tried a few things yesterday and they all failed, so I essentially lost a day's work. I'm trying to, put some background decorations in, but it doesn't look good in game because of the way I do the lighting. Yeah. So I'm thinking of going with a more abstract way of making the background look a little bit more interesting. So I'm thinking of just drawing shapes. I'm drawing circles into the background, make them bounce around like a lava lamp. I want to see if that works okay. So I'm gonna lay out my plan. Let's see if I can implement it properly. Yeah, yeah. So I'm thinking it's partially because of how like the game has a very minimalist style, right? So maybe an abstract style would suit it better, right? Something like shapes in the background would suffice rather than having to draw all kinds of like patterns in the background, which at times just make things look noisier, to be honest. So I'm just gonna try this. I need to lay out my plans. Anyways, how's your day at work? Okay. Number of circles. Hang on. Lava lamp background. Sleepy. You feel very sleepy. You're done with work, right? Done with work, then you deserve the rest. You can go and sleep. Make box. Number of circles based on area of box. Circles to have random speed and direction. On collision, change direction. Maybe. Once you get home, you go straight to bed. Yeah. If uni is not an option, what to do? Do you recommend someone to do? Wait, what would you recommend someone to do if they want to be a game designer? Definitely work on your portfolio. Definitely work on your portfolio. I think I mentioned this once in class before. Back then I was saying that because the diploma doesn't really focus on the technical aspect of things, technical in both like coding and art, you have to make up for it yourself. So I would say, if you can, right, just make small games to build out your portfolio. This would give you a better chance to get hired as a designer. That's one thing. There's actually another program. There's another program. Let me think. What is that program called? You know what? Let me look it up. There's another program where you can learn on the job, and you get paid like maybe I think 2K a month or something. Yeah. The work study program. Yeah, I have a friend who's taking part in that program. Right, he's hiring graduates. Yeah, but I think he's currently looking for like uni grads. Is it uni grads? Yeah, I think he's looking for uni grads. But I think there are other companies that are open to poly grads. So maybe that is an option. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, but if you have free time, like at the moment you can spare free time, right? Then I would 100% recommend you making small games. Um, yeah, small games, like there are so many tools out there, right? There's like Unity, there's Game Maker, Construct. So all of them uh, would make it possible for you to create a lot of your own small titles, right? Proven was chatting with you and was like in the turmoil a bit on what he plans to do after. Well, the good thing for him is that he still has time to think about it. Yeah, he still has time to think about it. You know what? It's not like you have to make that choice to go to further studies or to choose work, right after graduating from NS. What I mean to say is that it's entirely possible to work a bit first, 1 or 2 years, then go and further studies, right? I have classmates. I had classmates who worked 1 or 2 years in the industry before going to DigiPen. I think that's entirely valid. Yeah, you didn't have the time, right? You have to make your decision now. But you know what? It's also okay for you to work. Wait, you already accepted the offer, right? So how many months is that? Wait, have you accepted the DigiPen offer? You did. I see. Oh, so that was a question more for Proven then. I see. I see. I see. Yeah, DigiPen will force you to make your games. Okay, so after this is the shader. Oops, what happened to my pen thickness? Shader. I mean, if Proven can spare the time, I think he can try making something while he's in NS. Alright, my time I made like a couple of Flash games, only a couple. Okay, get value per light source based on Like Weitong, yeah, like Weitong. Get value per light source value, like gray value, I guess. Per light source based on displacement from displacement of pixel from light source. Sum all values quantize. Okay. Take BPM into account. And I have a question. Do you think, like, as far as like the art aspect of the game is concerned, right? I tend to take a long time to get things right. But what if I couldn't get it working, right? Do you think it's okay if the game looks like how it is now? Let me just run it and show you. Because there's a part of me that thinks that it's a little bit plain. The background is a bit plain. I tried doing a few things. I added noise. I'm not quite sure if it's noticeable, but it's very subtle. Alright. Do you think it's okay if the game just looks like this? It's a tough question, right? You think it does look a bit bad? Thanks for the honest answer. Yeah, so I'm trying to see if I can add like the lava lamp effect. But I'm also very afraid that I couldn't get it to look right. Yeah, like yesterday's experiment didn't work out, so now I'm trying a second method. Let's try it out. Hopefully it works. Hey Lucius, it's not really that early. Tuesday, I'm supposed to start in the afternoon. What am I doing now? Remember the stuff I did yesterday? I'm throwing that all away. It's not working. So I'm trying to come up with like some kind of an abstract background effect. Like I want some kind of a lava lamp effect in the background. This is just a mock-up. It's not actually how it will look like, but I'm gonna try coding out a lava lamp background. Why background? Because it looks a bit bare. Why www? What's that? Okay, so it will be something like this. Forgot to tap into your gear. Yeah, let's see if I can get this working. Oh, right, after that there's still one more step. Automation. Flood fill. Empty space. Add player's position. Update min point and max point, so I can know how big the box should be. Okay, so time to make the box. Every time art is involved, I take a long time to get. I need to get better at this. Script. Put it under effects. No. Just put it under background. Script. Lava box. There we go. Lava box. Eh? Accidentally created an object. No, not an object, please. Lava box. If I didn't remember the syntax wrong, it's supposed to be like this. Okay. So, I need the minimum point and maximum point. Excuse me. Let's have a XY, a width and height. Mm. Yeah. XY. Hello, Kalazol. Kalazol. It's Big Dan. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm just scrapping everything I did yesterday. Okay, X plus W. Y plus W. No, plus H. I'm trying to decorate the background, but yeah, the stuff from yesterday is not working out very well. So I'm trying to do a more abstract pattern in the background. So something like a lava lamp. Yeah, the idea is just to make the background less bare, to be honest. Yeah, and I want it to react to the beat if possible. Yeah, even the plant. Even the plant. Unfortunate. On the brighter side, at least what I've lost is just a day's work. It's not a week or a month's worth of work. Okay, so I have this minimum point and maximum point. Init. Init. Excuse me. Just a moment and let me adjust something. Testing, testing. Okay, there we go. Spawn circles. Circle count. Circle count, number of circles within the box will be determined by the area. So something like width divided by height. No, width times height divided by some arbitrary number. What kind of number would be good? It's also dependent on the radius of the circle. But I'm just going to divide by, I don't know, 12 for now. Circle radius. Circle radius. Let's keep it at 20.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, circle.
"'Tis but a scratch."
Are you spamming again? Circle. Lava Let's call it lava.
NANI?!
Nani? Yeah, how do you have 0 points? How is that possible?
This is me at my most evil.
Do your evil laugh.
How is it that you only have 0? That cannot be. Did you change your username? No, right? You can type the points command. You're not logged in. This is me at my most evil. I really like the Amazing World of Gumball. Yeah, Gumball is so good. Ended on a cliffhanger. Hey, Captain Blade, hello. Hello, hello. Welcome. I'm just struggling with a particular task right now. I am trying to make the background of the game a little less plain, a little less bare. Trying to yeah, I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to come up with some kind of a pattern. Trying to come up with a lava lamp effect in the background, so it's not like, so it's not too empty. Small thing about messy info. Yeah, I really hope I can get it. I really hope I can get it up. Yeah, because yesterday I was trying like a different approach. I was thinking of like drawing patterns in the background like this. Not patterns per se, but actually drawing features into the background like this. But I couldn't get it to look right with the lighting system that I have. Not to mention that it. Not to mention that if I were to, how do I put it? If I were to go with this approach, right, I will have to. I cannot just have like a random structure. Sticking out of nowhere. I have to think about what else to put in to fill in the space, and eventually it just gets a bit too daunting. So I'm thinking of a more simple approach, a more abstract approach. Yeah. Yeah. Colorzor, you're in 2 minds. What do you mean? Yeah. So my approach now is to see if I can just generate the background rather than hand drawing it in. Let's just call it the lava lamp background. Okay, so I hope I can get this right. You think the one before looks nicer though? Yeah, because you are looking at the mock-up, but with the scan lines, right, everything looks super noisy. That is the problem. So I had the scanline effects. That is part of the lighting. And I couldn't get it to look right. I tried. Tried 3 hours. More than 3 hours yesterday, I couldn't get it to look right. Yeah, but in the mock-up it's okay. What's the scanline? Scanline is this. Or maybe it's not obvious. Hang on, let me run it. Just remove the scanline. I don't know. I mean, the scanline is there, right, to Oh, hang on, let me mute the game. The scanline is there to increase the contrast between the background and the foreground. I'm not sure if I don't know if I want to remove it. I'm kind of attached to it. But do you see this scanline effect in the background? Yeah, this is what I'm referring to. I don't know, I feel rather attached to it. You want each character to have some sort of uniqueness, like enter the dungeon and you could just throw in the castle crashes, but you don't want to overscope it. Yeah, definitely don't overscope it. Captain Blade says that abstract would fit the style of the game better. That's what I'm leaning towards as well. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. But I can see like there's both sides. There's both sides to the discussion. But at the moment I'm leaning towards an abstract pattern. Because we have seen like several other games use a more abstract way to decorate the background as well. 6Vs maybe? 6V is one of them. There's this game called the Electronic Super Joy, and it also does like abstract background decorations. Doesn't really add anything. You think the deco would make certain levels more memorable based on what? Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that hand drawing is bad. I'm saying that I'm one person and I don't want to work on this project until next year. That's one thing. Sometimes it's a compromise, you know. I'm trying to find a way to make it still look good, but without, you know, without like delaying the project. Then have no decoration and keep the scan lines. Yes. So I have the scan lines, right? My issue now is I think the background, right, can be a little less empty, which is why I'm thinking of adding like abstract shapes and patterns. Yeah, the game release and move on to next. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Perlin noise. Perlin noise. I could do Perlin noise. I could. I can run it through some kind of a quantization pass, right? So I can like carve out like interesting blobs in the background. Maybe I couldn't do that, but I will try the lava lamp thingy first, and then maybe other levels I can use Perlin noise. Yeah, but in any case, right, all of these shapes has to be like super subtle. It's there to break up the monotony of the background. Then I also want it to react to the beat. So I've asked the composer for the BPM of the music. So my intention is for the for the lava lamp effect, right, to be affected by the rhythm of the music as well. That's the plan. If it starts to feel like if it starts to feel like feature creep, then I will just not implement that. Different color areas. Yeah, that's a good one. So the first circle thing, blue, next purple. I can try that. I can actually try that. I can try that. I might try that, so it looks like there's progression, right? But I will leave that to later. I'll leave that for later. Yeah, progression. Anything that has to do with the aesthetic of the game, I take a long time to get, so I need to get the other task out of the way first. Right, you know, stuff like the UI, right, which I have been rushing for a while. It's finally done. Okay, so let me just lava count. How would you make the characters vary but in a slight way so the scope doesn't get too big? I mean, the Kasha Crashers approach would just be, you know, a palette change. A palette change. They have different music. Sorry, you're talking about your beat 'em up game, right? Different music. What do you mean by that? Or if you choose a different character, there's different music for the game. Oh, magic! Oh my god! I'm sorry. What's wrong with me? Different magic. I don't know what's wrong with me. I need to get my eyes checked. Magic. I see. You can look into Spriter, maybe. Spriter has a game maker support. Let me see if I can find it. Spriter? This one? By Brash Monkey? I'm sure you know other tools, right? Maybe even better ones. But if you use Spriter, I believe you can just swap out the body parts, right? You can swap out body parts for your character. Hang on. Would this work for you? But just a different sprite doesn't make the character unique. Just a different sprite doesn't make the character. What do you mean? What's the issue here? You mean like how to go about coding it? Lava. Different combo, passives, voice lines, animations, theme song. All of that requires a lot of money. Different combos, you can try different combos. Different passive skills. That could work. Random iRandom range. iRandom range, is it inclusive or exclusive? Hang on. Check this. Right. They are not just skin swaps. Right. This was done over a long period of time, right? The game launched with just the standard characters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? How long did it take for them to implement all of this? No? Is the game launched with this? Wow, that's crazy. There's a few DLC, but there's still a lot of unlockables. I see what you mean. How big is the team? Minimum point. Maximum point. What do you mean by something unique? So it's not just oh they look the best, I'll pick that one. Okay. Well, like giving each of them some personality. I guess different animation then. Different animation, different dialogue. The way they talk is different, maybe. Give me a moment while I think about some issue. Different attacks then. Different attacks, like I guess you can look at Monster Hunter, right? How different weapon varies. Attack speed, attack power. Different moves, yeah. Oh, it's guns. Different guns then. Different guns. Like someone can be using a shotgun. Someone else can be using a machine gun. Maybe? Lava. Lava. Okay, anyways. What am I doing? Okay, like this. Resolve penetration of the circle. Don't know, I've never played Dauntless before. Resolve penetration. I need to figure out a way to draw them as well. Just debug draw. Draw circle. Let me think, eh? Draw circle. Color. X, Y. Radius. Oh, I forgot my radius. Crap. Radius. Guess I will remove this. Make this be 20. I'll just have a constant radius for now. You give them all magic. Ooh! Ooh, careful, careful. Don't fall into the feature creep trap. True. Big scoop, let's go. Oh, there goes another project. Instead of a fire castle crashes, fire bullets. Sorry, what? Steel guns, nice. What's the date? It's 22nd, right? Damn it, can I finish most of what I want by the end of the month? Next week my part-time work resume. Let me see. Damn. Yeah, let's try. I have 80 levels now, right? It's just 20 more. 19 more. Then I can work on the ads. And in-app purchases. Give me a moment, I need to check something. How useful is the, share a GIF of the game on the social media? Because in my case it wasn't very useful. Let's see. GIF sharing on social media, let me see. Yeah, mine wasn't very useful. Only a few people used it. Playing Dauntless right now, eh? How are you liking it so far? Update movement first. collision response. There we go. Excuse me. What the? Someone's calling me. Hang on, just a moment, eh? Damn it! Something urgent came up. Let me just put on this screen. I'll be back. I'm almost done with my work. Just a moment to make sure I got this correct. Bum, 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 bum. 214. Just a moment, eh? Singapore public holiday. Okay, good. I think I can email this. Okay, I think I just sent my email. I need to confirm something first and I'll be back. Anyways, let me check that imager thing that you posted. What is that? Okay. I'm back. What is this? Peasant to commoner, what? Because it was, yeah, I truly thought there's only 4 characters. Even though I've played the game. What does this mean? It means, what's up with this lock? It means you can unlock them? You start with this, right? Ah, including the Grey Knight, right? Defeat the Barbarian boss. This is Castle Crashers. Hello, Amanda. Unlock means complete the game with X character to unlock the one to the right. I see. Okay. It's time to resume work. Sorry about that. I had a call and needed to resolve something quick. Did I scrap the background stuff? Yes, I scrapped everything. I scrapped everything. What I'm gonna do, right, is I'm going to come up with a lava lamp background effect that is procedurally generated, meaning I'm going to make the art through code rather than hand draw it. Because we saw what happened yesterday, right? Like I tried hand drawing it. In the mock-up it looks okay, but the moment I put it into the game with the lighting and the scanline effects, it starts to look really terrible, very noisy. So yeah, I'm trying a different approach. Yeah, I'm trying a different approach that is, I guess, manageable, more manageable for myself. Right? Like if I choose this approach, if I somehow make this approach work, there is still this challenge of having to decorate 99 levels. So it's not an easy choice. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, I'm trying to work on the lava lamp background effect, and we'll see how that goes. Adding magic will make the scope too big. So yeah, that's the way. That's the way. Perhaps passives, but you can't think of any that would be that impactful. Passives. Well, I mean, a fast-moving character with a weak attack is one of those tropes that is rather popular, right? I think you can do something like that. You can have the fast-moving character with weak attack, the average character, the hard-hitting characters who's very slow. Anyways, what was I doing? Oh right. Dot update. Let's do collision detection. Go through each collision pair like this. Is it like this? Let me think. Nope, I +1. Let me think, eh? Yeah, this should be the way to go, I think. Yes. The only reason why it's kind of tricky is because you're going to have like oh hey, you leveled up, have a skill point and put it into a build that you want to make. Right. Oh wow. Scope is still not small, eh? Skill tree. It's all relative. I think it's all relative. Like, have you seen Devil Daggers? Like, in terms of mechanics, Devil Dagger would be like very small, right? Yeah, but you can tell they spent all the effort into polish. Oh, you should check it out. It's amazing. Devil Daggers. Yeah, it looks amazing. But it's literally an arena shooter. And it's always the same pattern. There's only a single pattern, and the whole challenge is to see if you can beat these waves of enemies. Yeah, I couldn't beat it, but it's amazing. Like, it's memorable. You can tell all of the effort goes into making the enemies. Yeah. Mechanics wise, it's just point and shoot. That's it, right? Collision detection plus response. Let's resolve the penetration first. So, how do I detect if it has penetrated? You're asking for a friend. Oh, okay. Is there a point distance squared? Never mind. Let me just calculate it myself. Object 1 equals 2. Yeah, collision penetration, right? So I have to resolve the penetration first before we can update the velocity. Do you think chain lightning would be difficult to code? I think it should be fine. In fact, there's someone in the Discord that has done the chain lightning effect. Wait, what do you mean? Like, are you talking about the visuals or the gameplay aspect of things? Are you talking about just the visuals? If you're talking about the visuals, you can ask Seed. Seed is in the Discord. Yeah, I'm not sure if he's busy now, but I think when he's free, he can respond. Maybe. Yeah, on the visual side of things, you can ask him. You have to ask for a friend. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Oh, Lucius has done it before. So this is the squared distance. Hang on, x1 minus x2 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Okay. Lesser than or equals to radius square. Combined radius. It's not about being big brain or small brain. It's more about experience. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is doable. Right, on the visual side of things, you can just draw lines, right? You can just like, hang on, why is this giving me an error? Oh. Magic it is. Oops. As if you look at the title screen, right? Like, you can kind of draw a straight line, but then how do I put it? You have 2 points, one start point and end point, right? But instead of drawing a straight line from the start point to the end point, you can just vary the. You can how do I put it? Do some randomness along the way, if that makes sense. Oh, I like this music. You don't switch games like you switch underwear. I know it's not the like a popular opinion, but and this is especially true if you're working by yourself. If you want to finish a game, you have to compromise something, you know. You have to be willing to compromise. If not, it'll just not finish anything. Okay, resolve penetration, let's do it. Maybe I don't even need to resolve the penetration. Yeah, I guess I don't even need to do that. Just update the velocity and that will do, right? Is penetrating. I'm a bit lacking practice, so I'm gonna take some time to implement this. I need to check if they are separating, so I need to check if they are separating. So the two balls will only be considered as colliding if they are moving towards each other. If they are moving away, I will take that they are not colliding. So I have to figure this out. So first thing first, I need to get the relative velocity. I change this space into something like this maybe. Okay. I get the displacement like this, and then I do a dot product. Hang on, let me think. I do a dot product against this. Would this work? Let me see. Yeah. I do a dot product. If it's negative, I'm moving away from the ball. If it's positive, I'm moving towards the ball. Okay. I think that's the right way to do it. Relative velocity. Two, as in object 2. Okay. Check if object is not already separating. I'm not going to resolve the penetration. No need for that. So Amanda, how's your demo going? Hang on, let me just make sure that I'm not receiving any messages from about work. Okay, good. Unity's particle system is technically legacy. Is it? Oh, I wasn't aware. You're not used to the VFX and shader graph, so you probably make rain and snow with. I see. You're trying out a lot of stuff, eh? That's nice. I've still not properly get around to learning Unity. I only know the basic stuff. Might as well not for commercial purposes anyway. Right. I think this is how I get my relative velocity. Okay, check if object is not already separating. I get the relative velocity, I need to get the displacement vector. I'm not sure if creating an array here is a good idea, but screw it. Let's cap your Unity Pro. Oh, you mean Amanda? Yeah, I've never tried any of the shader graph stuff. I have no idea how those work. Excuse me. Me? No, I'm not a Unity Pro. No. The stuff I know, right, is it's uh is independent of engine, meaning like there are features that they are either features or they are like fundamental knowledge that you'll know once you have more experience, or if you have like tried writing your own engine before. So you know, right? Like I was from Digipen. In school we have to write our engine. So like some of my understanding of engine comes from writing an engine back in school. Yeah, but if you're talking about the Unity, you know, like certain features exclusive to Unity, I have never actually tried them. Like I have not like the new rendering pipeline. I don't even know what it does or how it works. Right? There is the entity component system, which I have not looked into as well. So there's still a lot that I have not looked into. Yeah. No, there's a lot. There's a lot about Unity I have not looked into. Yeah. Usually I get around because I have the fundamental training. Yeah. Anyways, displacement vector. You don't know if you should make rain with VFX graph. You found a tutorial on it, right? What's wrong with just using the... Oh wait, is it true that the particle system is getting phased out? Really? I thought like particle system is a very, common feature of an engine. Displacement vector, how do I do? Oh right, I need to do it like this. I want the displacement vector from from object 2 to object 1. So destination minus source. Destination minus source. If this doesn't work, right, it's going to be so painful to debug. Oh my goodness. Writing all this without wait, I should have tested the spawning first. What am I doing? You know what? Let me just test the spawning. Let me get to level 00. Yeah, I'm approaching this all wrong. Let me just fix this. Delete. Where's the UI feature for Game Maker? The common feature? Yeah. That is a common complaint. Everyone, I think a lot of Game Maker users are complaining about it. Yeah. I think for me, I'm just used to. I'm just used to it by now. Just like write my own. Yeah, but it's definitely a pain point for a lot of Unity not for a lot of Game Maker developers. That was a different particle system. There is no. Ah, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, then you should just use the current particle system then. If I have a complaint about my biggest complaint about Game Maker, right, it's not the engine. It's the support. The support is quite slow, especially on mobile. There was this time where Google was trying to they were trying to enforce something in their API that would affect all Android games, I believe, and we were given like a few months to rectify that issue, but we had to wait for Game Maker to update the engine. And they took their time. Yeah, but that was like way back. I'm hoping that things will be better now that someone else has bought Yo-Yo Games. Anyways, what am I doing? Alright. Let me write a test object. You know what? I'll just hardcode it in here. What is this position? 27675. 27675. Hang on. You've also never used ECS. Better add UI soon. I'm not sure that it doesn't feel like that's their priority. They have been adding stuff like sequence. I'm not sure if you've seen me use sequence before, right? To animate the tutorial. They added that, which is nice, right? It's nice. There's an animator inside GameMaker now. I like that. But yeah, it doesn't look like UI is in their priority. What am I doing here? New lava box. There we go. Get the position. What is this? Let's get the tile position. 267. $267. $67. Right, and then I need this one. 1684. 1684. 1684. 1684. Okay. Let's try drawing the box just to make sure that. Oh, what the? Let's try drawing the box. Oh no! I still need an object. God damn it! O_test. Guess I can delete this already. Test object. Where's my test object? I'll just put my test object in here. Okay. Like that. This will create the lava box with a hard-coded position for now. Hard-coded position for now. Lava box. There you go. On Sunday, when you talk about funding and stuff, you ask your friend who got funding for his game. It's already out early access. He obviously didn't ask for that much, but he said he should have asked for more. Right. What game is it? Is it the game with the paper puppet thingy? Paper puppetry. Oh, not that one, I see. Aura of Wolves, okay. Let's take a look. Oh, I've seen this. You did the music for this, right? Very nice. Minimum point, maximum point, and minimum point. Maximum point. Color. What the? And put 4 colors in there. Outline. True. Okay, let's take a look at this. There's another composer, so you didn't do much music, but you also did a little bit of sound effects for the game as well. Ah, I see. That's cool. Oh my god, why is it so big? Oh, because it's supposed to be the WIP. Damn it. Damn it. It's okay. Let's count the WIP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 14, 17. 14, 17. 14, 17. 14, 17. What happened to the lava lamp? No, it's not done yet. I'm setting up the stuff. It's not even close to done. Okay, there we go. This is the box I want. So the box seems to be correct. Cool. Okay, at least the box is there. Let's call init. And then let's go back here. Loop through all lava. Call draw on the lava. Debug draw for now. Because I'm not actually going to draw it per se. I'm going to pass the position into the shader and let the shader do everything. So I'm going to pass it into the shader that does the lighting, the quantization thingy. I'll pass it in there and then, yeah, let it handle the lava lamp. We'll see how that goes. Then I have to start thinking about how to customize the background effect, you know. Maybe different sized radius. I mean different sized circles. Maybe. Downloading ROMs for Final Fantasy. God damn it. What did I do? Init is what? Oh. Damn it. There you go. And width. And height. There you go. FF buddy. You can try FF1. I tried it, oh my god. I tried it when I was... How long ago was it? Like super long ago I tried it. Oh my god, it's so difficult. I think I went to the wrong place. Oh my bloody god. That's a lot of circles. Why are there so many? How many am I putting to the screen? Let me check. Oh my goodness. Lock to screen, please. I want to see how many I'm putting to the screen. You sure hope there's not a lot of kanji. There has to be way more than Zelda, right? It's an RPG after all. Wow! Almost 2000 circle. Oh my god. Dividing by 12 is wrong. Let me think. There's no kanji in the English version. Average radius. Let's just put this average radius. Let's be 20. See how that goes. Yes, the first FF is on the Nintendo Entertainment System, that is correct. It was on Nintendo system all the way until FF7, where they shifted to PlayStation. Because of the disc format. How's this? This could work. This might still be a bit too much, but you know, this could work. Can multiply by 1.25. Play the GBA version. Did they make any changes to the what kind of changes do they make to the GBA version? Like on the surface it looked like the same game, right? Still looks like a lot. They changed the enemies and some items and also the combat system. Ah. Maybe this is good enough. Okay. I'm gonna call update. Obviously it's not going to work just yet, but you know, let's try it out. What time is it anyway? Oh my god, 7:30. Almost 7:30. In the NES version, if you target a blank space like an enemy already died, you just waste your turn. makes it a lot tougher then. Why is it not moving? It's not moving. It's not moving. Why is it not moving? Is there something wrong with this? 1 divided by 60. Okay, something else is wrong. Something else is wrong. Is this not getting caught? You're gonna play 1 onwards? Wow. You could have just tried 6. Some people say 6 is the best. It's getting caught though. The hell? Hang on. Current time. It's getting caught. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, it's getting caught. It's just not moving for some reason. I must have made some stupid mistake somewhere. Oh, because my velocity is 0. Of course! What an idiot! Okay, anyways. Of course. I'm gonna hardcode it to speed of 10 first for now. Can always change it later. Maybe even slower. Lava lamp, right? Can move very slow. Maybe 10 is slow enough, we'll see. Direction. Random 360. Okay, so something like that. But obviously I need to have collision, otherwise you just move out of bound. So I'm planning for them, for each circle to hit each other, but I'm not sure if that's actually necessary. Like, that might not actually be necessary. You know what? That might not actually be necessary. I will comment this part out first. Let's do collision with boundary. Okay, dot x lesser than. So I'm just gonna clamp it to the boundary and also flip the velocity. Right, let's just do it very straightforward, right? Very naive manner. Okay, now let's handle the. This is horizontal axis. Let's do vertical. Vertical. Okay. One. Not sure if I even doing this correctly. Okay, there you go. Let's get this party started. So I change it to max. And run it. Okay, yeah. Collision is only from the center point of the circle, but I think that works. Should I actually do collision between the circles though? Maybe I should, right? I need to separate them. Otherwise I'll have a blob together. Maybe. This is just one effect. Maybe I can look into doing stuff like spinning geometries in the background. Those are simpler. Maybe I should do that. I don't know, let's just try this first. If this works, then I can use it for... Okay, I'm thinking I have a pattern. Like every... How many words do I have? I'm aiming for 11 words, right? 11 words, so I have 99 levels. 11 words... How many patterns do I need? Like, I don't want to do 11 patterns. 11 was... one pattern per... for every 3 words, maybe? Or maybe I'll just keep using the same pattern. I don't know. And then just change the color. Right. Visual differences. Just do 11 pattern? Oh man, I'll die, man. I don't think I can handle it. Puzzle is gone. Nah, he's probably working on his game. He's working on his game. That's good. How's your game? Visual differences for every 3 worlds. Two or 3 worlds maybe. We'll see. Right? Maybe I don't know. I'm thinking I can also have like I can implement like different what do you call this? Different background patterns. But it does seem like it's a lot of work. Maybe I'll just change the color palette and that'll be it. Someone did mention that they got tired of the color scheme after a while, so I guess changing the color would be the best bet, right? I can try that. Wow, what music is this? The heck? Let me just adjust myself on the seat. Okay, let's do collision detection. Approaching each other. There you go. Check if object is approaching each other. Dot product. Dot product this. X1, Y1. X2, Y2. Dot product. If it is positive, then it is approaching. Okay. It's colliding. If I got in here, then they are in fact colliding. And at this point, I need to separate them. Separating them. I can make use of the displacement back, I guess. Have I played Sekiro? No, I don't have a PlayStation. Sekiro. Wait, do I need a PlayStation to play Sekiro? It's on PC. I see. I should at least finish Dark Souls, right, before I play Sekiro. Oh, excuse me. It's like near but better? Really? I thought they are like super different. Is colliding... Hang on, AI, I need to think about this. Guess I need to normalize this. Do I have a normalize? I don't have a normalize, you gotta be bloody kidding me. Do I have a normalize function? Really? Gosh, I don't have a normalize. Guess I'll have to just do it manually then. It's called point distance. Da, 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 da. Weather manager didn't work properly. Ah, I see. I think I can do it like this. Displacement vector divided by magnitude. I'll get the normalized vector. Excuse me. None. Lava speed equals to 10. Just hardcode the speed first. Need to update the velocity so that the balls will separate. I do not know if this is correct. It's not the most accurate way of doing things, but this will do. Okay. Now it's constantly raining, but it shouldn't be. I see. Seems like it's working. Not sure if that's a good idea actually, separating them like this. So this is just a collision radius, right? Like maybe in the game, the rendered radius will be bigger, so something like this, 1.25. See how this looks. I think the collision made it worse. I think the collision make it worse. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Shouldn't have done this part at all. This whole part here, I should not have done it. Let me just comment it away. Yeah, it's better to just let it overlap. Better to just let it overlap. Yeah, should have done it like this. Okay. 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 Cool. So I got this part down. Let's see what is done. I made the box. That's done. Number of circles dependent on area of box. Done. Circle to a random speed and direction. Done. Oh, only a random direction, no random speed. But it's okay. On collision, okay, I don't want this, so I cancel it out. Oh, that means I'm on to the shader portion. Get value per light source based on displacement. What's 69 times 6? What do you want to know? You can ask Google. Google says 414. Shader, get gray value per light source based on displacement of pixel from source. Get value per light source. You're talking about Dauntless. Give me a moment, I need to think about this. I need to pass the lamp, the information of the lamp, right, to the shader. You know what, at this point, right, I want to clean up some of the stuff I did yesterday that I no longer need. Stuff like the do that manager, I'm going to delete them. Yeah, all of this. Delete. Wait, portal graphics is important. Okay. Delete the sprites as well. Delete, 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 delete. It's a lot that I'm deleting. Okay, then I run it, see if I broke anything. Hopefully not. I forgot to commit my stuff. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, it seems to work. Nothing is broken. That's good. There's this glowing thing for the collectibles. I want to make them pulse according to the BPM, according to the beat. Let me just make sure this is working properly. Okay. Whew. Gonna ask a friend to check the code. Ah, I see. Let me get a drink of water before I figure out how to do the rendering. Excuse me. Okay, so I have this shader, right? I have this shader called Quantize. This is the one that puts, that takes in the input texture and then draw the background onto the scene. If I run the game, you'll see that it does the scan line, it does the lighting effect thingy. It does this, right? It does all this circle that you see here. It does all the lines here. And now I'm going to add to it so that I can have the lava lamp effect in the background. And now that Captain Blade also mentioned the Perlin noise, I might think about that. Oh. Excuse me. So many things to think about. I guess I can delete this away. It's the old color. In light, in shadow. Guess that makes sense. Okay, so what I need, right, is a couple of uniforms. I need integer. I need I need lava count. Lava count. Lava count is 1. That makes sense. I need. How do I pass a array? Oh, I forgot how to pass an array in. Woo! I forgot how to pass an array. Hang on. Vector. Like that? No. Hang on. Let me just look it up. GLSL uniform array. Ah, okay, got it. Vector 2 is all I need. U underscore V lava position. Right? Lava's radius. Do I pass the radius in as well? Yes. Should I implement the radius as... Let me think. You know what? Let's just pass it in as a radius. So vec3, right? The third component will be the radius. Pause radius. Okay, what else? Source position plus radius. I think this is all I need. Alright, so go to Light Manager. Time to grab some grab some uniforms. Just implement it here first. Here, this is the one. Hang on, you know what? Let's just cache the uniforms. Hang on. What is it supposed to be? Shader, excuse me, get uniform, there we go. Shader is called quantize. Voila! Okay. Position radius. Oh, this is supposed to be a string, my bad. Okay, I cached it. Uniforms for quantize shader. Voila. Lava count, lava position radius. What is this? Okay, shader set uniform integer first. I need to create the lava. Alright, okay. M lava box is equals to, let me just hardcode this stuff. So instead of implementing it in tests, I'll just put it inside like manager for now. How's this? Okay, and then when when drawing, I need to pass the lava count. Lava count is here. I'm going to pass lava count. M lava box. Lava count. Then the next thing to pass in is the everything. Everything. I need to pass in everything. So pause radius, for the lack of a better name. Just do it array underscore create. Do I have to clean up an array, by the way? Array underscore delete? No. Destroy? Yeah, I guess I don't have to worry about it. Anyways, array underscore create. Size would be like that. Constructing the array every frame might not be that good an idea, but I'll worry about that later. Whoa, it's 8. The hell? I won't be able to finish it this stream. Lava pulse radius. Okay. Times 3. Is that how I do it? Let me think. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 Times 3 because of 3 components. Hang on. Times 3 for x, y, z. 3 components. Right? So I times 3. Wait, hang on. I times 3. Okay. Equals to time to check lava box. Just a moment. Lava box. That's an array of lava. There we go. Good. Lava box has an array of lava. Alright, like that. Okay. Let's put an I here. I.x. .y. Dot radius. Whew. Is this should be correct? Set uniform. Bum, 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 bum. There you go. I need the uniform ID here. Comma get array. Yeah, baby. It's pretty big array. I'm not sure if it's okay or not. Let me run this, see if it explodes. Hope it does not explode. Hey? What the? Did I forget to run it? Bum 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 bum. Oh no! Let me do the debug draw. Oh wait, obviously nothing is supposed to happen because I have not used the information yet. What am I doing? Get value per light source based on displacement. That's quite a bit of work. Maybe I'll do it after dinner. Maybe I'll call. I'll break here. Maybe I'll come back tonight to finish this up. Yeah, but you know what? Let me just do a debug draw just in case. Just in case. Debug draw. Run it. Yeah. Okay. So I just need to take all these positions, send them into the shader, which I've already done. Now the shader will just have to take this position, right, and figure out a way to shade them in. But the biggest struggle that I will have is having to make it look good with the lighting involved. So if I drag the player in there, where's the player? Player is here. For some reason, after I put the player in, right, all of the circles become smooth. I think within the player, I set the position of the circle or something. Hello, Kalazor! I'm just about to go off. how's your progress? Had to head out for a little bit super. I see. When's the devlog? Who's devlog? Kalazor's? Going to get back to it now. Okay. I'm about to go for dinner as well, so I might come back and finish up this tonight. Hopefully. I'm actually in the middle of writing my devlog. Yeah. You've decided? What have you decided? I guess while you're writing what you want to say, I will do a quick recap. So I wanted to make a lava lamp background. Lava lamp background because I feel like the level is a little bit bare, and I think that I can introduce something to break up the monotony of the level, right? So I'm thinking of adding a lava lamp style background. And I'm in the middle of doing it, so these are the tasks that I've done, right? All the ones that's crossed out in red. Now I'm at the shader part of things, and I've yet to finish it, but I will get back to it later tonight. Yeah. Now let's see. You're going to post all your Google Docs and Trello in the Discord. Okay, that sounds good. Having people to hold you accountable is a good idea, actually. Yeah. It's one of the reasons I'm streaming my development as well. Yeah, having people to hold you accountable is it's a strong motivator, yeah. Okay. Thanks for sharing. I'll be off to get dinner and then I'll be back tonight, probably, to finish up this. Would you be able to repurpose your portal stuff as a lava effect? Probably not. The portal stuff is done completely differently. The portal is like it's drawn as a sine curve. It's a couple of sine curve, right? In fact, I think I did it as a single sine curve, and I believe it was you who asked me to draw in a few more sine curve. Yeah, and that's how it got its like semi gooey like look, but it's an illusion. It's not actual. It's not an actual blob effect. Yeah. You asked me to draw more, so it's more bubbly, right? Yeah. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Okay, time for me to go. I'll be back soon. Thanks, everyone. Something up? What about a meta ball effect? Yeah, that's what I'm going for. The meta ball effect is what I'm going for. Yeah, in fact, my light source has a meta ball effect, so I'm going to do something like that. Yeah, but I'm trying to do it all within the shader. Yeah. Yeah, thanks, man. Okay, time for my dinner. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Well, let's read Chow, I guess. Let's read Chow just a moment. Thanks, Amanda. I'm gonna try read Chow. How do I spell Chow? Chocolates. Chow. Damn, I forgot how to spell. Found it.